What's up? Welcome back. Into this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create a Snapchat account in 2022, I guess. So stick to it. I'll go ahead and share my screen here so you guys can see. Without further ado, go ahead and like this video if you want. And boom. Here's my screen, and as you guys can see, I'll go ahead and start sharing. I'll go ahead and start sharing my screen. Alright. So first, what you need to do is you open up what do you call it? You know, whatever if you're an iPhone or anything like that. So you open up a Google Play Store, you search up Snapchat. Of course, it's right here. You press download. You wait. My iPhone won't take that long, so I'll wait. So just wait for a couple seconds. So once it's in, you go ahead and open. You go ahead and open. As you can see, you click sign up. Once you click sign up, you click get started, allowed, and then right here where you have to put your first name. So I'll go ahead and put my last name, Wheelie, and then my last name, that will be Kim. Click next. So I'll select my birthday. Boom, that's not really my birthday, but yeah. And then now you click change my username. You click change my username. Now you have to pick a fancy username, like 2022 vision. Okay, so like that, just like that. Username will start with the letter. Alright, so first you have to start with letters, so you can start like anything. Like that's where if people search you, they'll see your name. So you have to be more specific with your name. Like right now, I'll put typical. Underscore Joe. As you can see, that is available. Now you can click next, and then right here you have to create your password. Your password is everything important, but I'll create this for you guys so you guys can use it anytime. I'll go ahead and create that'll be John W 2005. Okay. Once you do that, you can either use, now you click sign up with my email instead. That's not my email. This is my email right here. And then now you click next, and then just click skip up here, skip add friends, and then boom, you in. As you can see, now you in, and Snapchat will welcome you. Yeah, stick to the next video. I'll post it about how you can set up your Snapchat. I don't want this video to be so long. As you can see, as you can watch all my videos, they're so short. So basically, I made another one. Stick to it. Yeah, I'll catch you guys next one.